One other thing you can do in Dreamweaver, if I direct your attention back to the program, if you decide that you would like to have your visitor control the timeline instead of having the timeline play automatically over and over, you can add image buttons, and then with those image buttons you can add what are called Dreamweaver behaviors to control the timeline, letting your visitor control it, playing it, stopping it, advancing it. So let's add a simple button right below our slideshow. I'll click my mouse to the right of the photo that we've added, and we'll go ahead and press return. To insert an image in Dreamweaver, we go into the Insert menu and we choose Image. Now I'm going to go ahead and add, I have one here ready to go, a play button. This is something I created in Fireworks. I'll select it, and again, yes, we'll be good, and we'll add the image to our Times website defined folder. And let's also add a stop button, doing the same thing. We'll choose Insert Image, find our stop button, click Select, add it to our Images folder. Now we have a play and a stop button on the screen that our visitors can use to control the slideshow themselves. To let your visitors control the slideshow, let's close out our timeline, and let's go into the Window menu and access the Behaviors panel. The Behaviors panel are what you use in Dreamweaver to JavaScript. So if we want to control this timeline by having the visitor press this button and play the timeline, we'll select the button, the image that we inserted, go to our Behaviors panel and click the plus button, and we're going to add a timeline behavior. Therefore, we'll choose the timeline behavior, and from the flyout menu we'll choose Play Timeline. Now you can have more than one timeline within your document in Dreamweaver. We only have one timeline, so we'll choose it. Click OK.